Hey everyone, hopefully not everyone, just a few people. My name is Alexia. I'm 18 years old. I study at the American University of Armenia, Bachelor in Business program. I ended up here because I took an Intro to Computer Science course as an elective, and apparently we have to make videos as homeworks. I'm not very fond of that idea. I'm terrified that one of my friends is gonna find this, but hopefully no one will. So let's dive into what this video is really about. Today I'm going to talk to you about what binary is. First of all, what does the word binary mean? Who do you ask when you don't know something? Like the first person you ask when there's something that you don't know is, of course, Google. So when you Google binary, this is what shows up. The first definition is relating to, composed of, or involving two things. So still not clear. Now when we read the second definition with my laptop in here, it says relating to, using, or denoting a system of numerical notation that has 2 rather than a 10 in base. So first of all, let me explain in my words what binary is. Binary describes a numeric arrangement of numbers that can only take on 2 values, 0 or 1. How is it possible? And why do we need this binary system? Let's tackle these 2 questions one by one. How is this possible? How can we represent numbers with just 0 and 1? First of all, what I would like you to do is think of 0 and 1 as light switches. 0 means off, 1 means on. If we go back to the definition that Google gave us about what binary is, representing numbers instead of a 10 base with a 2 base. Now, as we all know, in real life, we represent numbers with a 10 base. We call them decimal numbers. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, they are decimal numbers. And how can we represent every number in the world with just the base of 10? Let's take the example of the number 154. How do we know that this is the number 154? We do 4 times 1 plus 5 times 10 plus 1 times 100. Now in decimal numbers, every number has the base of 2. Let's look at an example, it will be much clearer. So if I ask you now what this binary value represents, what value this represents, would you be able to tell me? It's 10001? Maybe you wouldn't. Now let me make it easier for you. If I show it like this with 14816 on top, could you guess now that this number is 17? Let me tell you why, because it's 1 times 1 plus 1 times 16, 17. See, that's how simple it is. We just disregard the zeros and we calculate the ones. Off, on. That's simple. Why am I not looking in the camera? I suck at this. Okay, this was the first part of our question. How is it possible to represent all the numbers in the world with binary system? Now the second question was, why? Why do we need this binary system? The answer to that is actually very simple. Now, we know people speak languages. I, for example, don't understand Chinese. A Chinese person probably doesn't understand Armenian. So we use common languages. Computers, they speak a language too. And they can only understand this binary system. So this system is created as a language for computers to understand. If you're gonna ask me why computers only understand this system, not another system, now I cannot answer that. The best thing you can do is talk to Google, I guess. Ask Google, he'd know, she'll know. That's it. Okay, so that's it for this video for the binary systems. I hope I wasn't too confusing. If I was, it's just my first video. I'm kind of nervous, so hopefully my other videos would look much better. Thanks for watching, I guess, or I hope it just Mr. Meschian and the TAs. I hope no one else is watching this. Okay, thank you. Bye.